3 under 2. So we just started the hike. Although the waterfalls are very close to the lookout, it's still a 20-minute trek because the track weaves in and out down the mountainside here. Also, we did read online that there are leeches, and that was confirmed by a couple of people hiking that came up. So that'll be interesting to see if we encounter any leeches. But nevertheless, we're still going to give it a go and have a crack.
A crack?
Yeah, that means give it a go.
Like a beehive. There you can sit, Maxie. Come back.
Yeah. I mean, that wasn't there when we came before, so I mean, those bees are quick. So when we crossed that log on the way down, we didn't see any of those bees, and I reckon it's because it was raining. But now that there's a bit of sunshine about, the bees are back out and we're actually able to see that beehive. And you know, with the kids and us so close to it, we were a bit nervous about crossing over, but ultimately we had to because there was no other way around it because it's on the boardwalk. So yeah, now it's just a short walk back up to the car park and we'll go on to the next one. It's elaborate. So now we're at Ebor Falls, and so there's two falls here. There's an upper falls and a lower falls. We went to the lower falls because there was somebody else at the upper falls, but just having a look, both of the lookout points are fenced off. Now, no doubt this is due to all the flooding and the poor weather that we've had. I was able to walk around the fence and get really close to the edge. Not the smartest idea, but we did get a good look, and that was one hell of a drop. And here we are at the second part. Let's go have a look. So having a look at it, that was one of the posts, that's another post, and along here there was a lookout point, and you can see off in the distance there is one of the waterfalls. I think that's the lower falls. My goodness, it looks massive. We're going to keep going up this path here and see if we can get a better view. So guys, we're back here at our cabin now. So we're a little disappointed that, you know, we've got such bad weather. The Waterfall Way is one of Australia's best scenic drives with a number of different waterfalls. We only got to see two of them today, but we did drive past a few quickly, which did look very good. And obviously with the rain that we've had, they're really gushing at the moment. But not only was it bad weather and fog, the road up there was just littered with potholes. So although it's 100, you're barely doing like 60, 70 just dodging potholes the whole way. We only got to Ebor, and there was a few more a little bit further on. With how slow that we're going with all the roadworks and everything, we thought we'd just turn around and come back, because although we left at like 9 o'clock, it's already past 5 now. We're only getting back. So if we went the whole way, we probably would have been back a lot later. Alright guys, we're just gonna cook some dinner and settle in for the night. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support the channel, click the like button below. And if you want to see even more content, check out our Instagram, which is 3__2.